discussing Malacca Strait, I'm saying because China is bonding our country, means India, through Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and they meet directly to Middle East countries to fulfill their resources. Like nowadays, main resources in the country is crude oil. We have seen in our previous topic that Iran Israel war. So no, it is not necessary for China that to use Malacca Strait, and for that, for deterring China, India is working on their um, atomic naval submarine like INS Arighat and INS Arihant. India is making more advanced atomic submarine, investing 30,000 crore plus rupees to deter China only.
I agree with just number 27. China is a very strategic country. It uses strategy over action, and as we already know, that China has surrounded India with a strategic growth. It has made connections with Pakistan, Nepal, buying their borders, buying the ports of Sri Lanka, and also now making also a connection with Bangladesh, which is causing India to be surrounded by China in every direction. So, in my opinion, India needs to develop its military, as China has a huge advantage in this, because China is having the biggest navy in the world and having 320 submarines in its military base.
Do everyone have any idea about this, that China developed in a very low cost and cheapest trade production, and it have low qualities also, but still India is buying from China. And why?
India's I agree with just number one, that the question stays in everyone's mind. India's population believes in cheap products, the poorer population, because India has a huge population which is still living in the poverty. So I believe that they will believe in the quantity more than the quality. So India still buys the cheap products from China, which is helping China's economy highly.
Yes, this shows that China not only focus in the small cities or countries, but it focus in the countries which have the more population and their needs.
India is not only buy uh, import from China. India also export in China. India import 180 billion plus from China, but export 100 billion. And imagine seeing that India is buying the cheap product of China. It is necessary for our country having the lots of population, because our country believe that in the system of use and throw, that if any things is demanding low cost and anything is demanding high, then we uh, perceive on low, because we know the high and low also will in one day.